There's so much hype about AI agents, but what do they actually do in real life? Today, I'm going to show you real world examples of how businesses are using AI agents right now to save time, money, and a whole lot of stress. Hey, I'm Joey from Sage AI Solutions, where we help businesses build custom AI tools that actually work. I know AI can sound overwhelming or like science fiction, but I'm here to show you it's not just a tech toy. Let's look at how real businesses, from solo entrepreneurs to busy sales teams, are using AI agents every single day. First example, FAQs for your website. Whether you're a photographer, a consultant, or running a small shop, people often ask you the same questions over and over. Do you travel for photography? What's your turnaround time? Do you offer discounts for nonprofits? Writing all those answers yourself takes time, and sometimes we just don't get around to it or know all the questions to answer. But an AI agent trained on your business info can help you generate clear, friendly answers in your own voice. So instead of your website just saying, contact us for details, your FAQ page might say, absolutely, I travel up to 50 miles for photo sessions. My usual turnaround time for edited photos is about 7 to 10 days. That's the kind of detail that makes clients feel confident and saves you time replying to the same questions over and over. Next, let's talk about onboarding new clients. Whether you're a coach, a designer, or running a service-based business, new clients often have a lot of the same questions. How do I book my sessions? Where can I find the materials or worksheets? What happens next after payment? Instead of sending dozens of emails one at a time, an AI agent can help you create an entire onboarding flow. It can explain your process step by step, answer follow-up questions, and make clients feel taken care of, all in your own voice. It's like having a digital assistant who knows your business inside and out and keeps your clients from feeling lost. Here's another powerful way businesses are using AI agents as a tool for salespeople and staff on the floor, or even for training new team members. Imagine you work in a car dealership. You've got dozens of models, each with different features, pricing, and options. Or maybe you run an art gallery and you have hundreds of artworks, artists, bios, and pricing details. It's impossible for every team member to memorize all of that. But an AI agent can give your staff instant answers like, which SUV models have leather seats under $40,000? Or tell me about this artist's background. Or what's the return policy on commissioned work? Or searching endless emails, staff can just ask the AI agent and get an answer in seconds. That's not just helpful, it makes your business look professional, modern, and incredibly well-informed. Another huge way AI agents can help is with copywriting. And I'm not just talking about writing a few social media posts. I mean everything from social captions, blog intros, website updates, to even drafting emails, sales pages, and proposals, all sounding like you. Let's say you're launching a new service. You could ask your AI agent, write me a LinkedIn post about my new coaching package, friendly, casual, around 100 words. Or draft a short email announcing my new services to my clients. Boom, it gives you a solid first draft. It might not be perfect on the first try, but it's a huge time saver, and it keeps you from staring at a blank page. And sometimes the first try is it. So those are just a few real ways businesses are using AI agents right now. No coding required, whether it's helping your staff answer questions, writing your content, or guiding new clients. An AI agent can be the digital team member you didn't know you needed. And here's what I'd love to know from you. If you could have an AI agent help you with just one thing in your business, what would it be? Drop it in the comments below. And if you're curious how to build one of these AI agents for your business, check out my video right here on how to build an AI agent with no code. It walks you through the steps so you can get started, even if tech isn't your thing. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.